Hello everyone, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to edit caption on Facebook Reels after posting. Let's begin the video. Open the Facebook app on your mobile device and log into your account. Tap on the menu bar in the top right corner. Tap on your profile picture or on your name to go to your profile. Now click on the Videos or Reels tab. Now tap on the reel you want to edit. Once you open the reel, tap on the three dots in the bottom right corner of the reel. A menu will appear. Click on Edit Reel from the options. From here, you can edit your caption. Edit the caption as desired. Once you are done, tap Save to apply the changes. And there you have it. I hope this video helped you out. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.